Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a delight to be here with you. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please subscribe to my channel and touch up the notification bell so that you can always get alerted whenever I upload new videos. On this channel, I do skincare products, I do products review, and I give you tips on how to maintain and how to have a glowing skin. So consider subscribing. And to my old subscriber, hi, it's always a delight to have you here with me. So today I'm going to be showing you a variety of products that I make. I now have my own skincare range and products that are skin friendly, skin beautiful, some organic, some are not organic, but whichever you love. I am your go-to now for skincare products. If you've been following me on Instagram, of course, you already know that I have a skincare line of amazing products that you could buy and use for your skin. They are skin friendly, budget friendly, and you'll totally find them amazing and beautiful. And so I'm going to introduce my products to you. I want you to get in touch with me. My number will be in the description box and the list of the products that you want to buy. And please, the line is for you to buy products. If you want to talk to me about anything that has to do with YouTube, please keep the questions in the comment sections of the YouTube video. But if you want to make product purchase, which is why my contact is going to be in the description box, feel free to get in touch with me. With that said, to introduce to you firstly my lotion. I have two lotions. These lotions are beautiful, skin friendly, and the one is for caramel skin color. I use this is my caramel skin color body lotion. This product is beautiful. It will help your skin glow. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen so that you can see it there. The product is beautiful. It's formulated to help fade hyperpigmentation. It will brighten your skin, not whiten your skin. It will brighten your skin and help you have an all-round glow. Your skin will glow, your skin will shine when you use this skin lotion. So if you would like to get this skin lotion, of course, get in touch with me via my number. This is my body whitening milk. When I say whitening, does not mean that it's going to make you white overnight. No, that's not the idea. The idea is for it to give you and help you maintain a bright and fair skin complexion. That's the idea behind this lotion. It's beautiful, it's skin friendly, it will not give you hyperpigmentation, it will not irritate your skin. It is formulated with lots of love and lots of organic ingredients that you will love. And it comes in this 250 ml bottle. Both actually are 250 ml bottle. You know by now that anything that has to do with beautiful skincare, I am your go-to. So these products are beautiful and you would love to use them. Please get in touch with me in the what's it called now, in the description box, so that we can talk more about these lotions. They are cheap, they are budget friendly, you would love them. Let me read what I wrote. I said how to use twice daily, morning and evening, after bath, insisting on knees and elbows. And on the whitening lotion, I also said skin lightening body lotion, fades age spots and skin discoloration. It is natural, safe and very effective. It evens out your skin tone and lightens overall. Whitening body lotion is formulated with super active ingredients including alpha-arbutin for skin lightening and diminishing of pigmentation and marks of various origins. That means that if you have age spots, you have wrinkles and fine lines, you will find this product very beneficial for your skin. Very, very beneficial. Same thing with the caramel lotion. This is the caramel lotion and this is the whitening lotion. Both lotions are superb. They are beautiful for your skin. You will not have any skin issues using them. And then I have my whitening black soap. This is my whitening black soap. This whitening black soap is amazing and beautiful. This black soap is totally organic, formulated with products that will help to brighten your complexion. And when you hear that the product is a whitening product, a skin whitening product, or whitening black soap, does not mean that it will make you white. No, that just means that as you progressively use it, your skin color will be finer, brighter, evens out discoloration, and help your skin remain amazing and beautiful. That is what, when I say on my products you see whitening, that is just to tell you that with progressive use or with consistent use, your skin will be brighter, beautiful, without blemishes, without hyperpigmentation. And I wrote here, this is a 400 ml. I wrote here that this black soap is fortified with pure organic ingredients to help you achieve your desired skin color. It will help in purifying skin, balancing oil production, healing skin, and you will feel refreshed and smooth after use. Apply on damp body, wait for 10 to 5 minutes before bath. That is how you use this black soap. You apply on your body for 5 to 10 minutes, then you have your bath. Now this black soap has a lot of beautiful ingredients in it. It has lemon in it. It has kojic palmitate. It has what's the other one? It contains turmeric. It contains, so overall, anybody can use this. Anybody can use this. That means that if you're light skinned or you're dark skinned, you will use it because it will help to take away blemish from your skin. So it's totally available, and like I said, it's a cheap product. The products are not expensive. You will love to use them. So please, you can get in touch with me to buy yours. Then I also have pimples treatment. I'm very mindful of a lot of people who deal with pimples and acne and acne both on your bodies and on your face. I have you covered. See, I have products that will take away all that blemish from your skin. Pimples and acne are skin conditions that can be treated, so it's nothing to be ashamed of. You know, I have this black soap that is basically for pimple treatment, and it comes in this large size, the budget friendly size. You can't go wrong with any of these pimple treatment soap that I have formulated. This pimple treatment soap are meant to be applied on the face for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you go ahead and wash your face and go on with your normal beauty routine. The reason I know that this is effective is because a few people have bought and have used, and there are those that I also gave out, you know, when I was doing my trials. It dries up pimples, clean up your face, brightens your face, and then you will also find it will refresh your skin. It contains sulfur, it contains neem, turmeric, it contains a whole lot of healthy products, lemon, that would help, lemon oil and orange oil, neem oil, that would help take away, you know, the blackheads and the dark heads, help to dry up the acne and remove the dark spots and discoloration on your face. You can't go wrong with this black soap. You can see it's not the regular black soap. It is formulated strictly for the. Then I have my face cream. This is my face cream. This face cream formulated to brighten your complexion. It will brighten your face. It will remove pimples and blackheads and hyperpigmentation and facial discoloration. This cream is amazing. It is beautiful and it is cheap. So when you buy a whole set, I even go ahead and I give you a lip balm. This lip balm is the bomb. It removes, if your lips were very dark, this lip balm will remove all the dark pigment on the lips and brighten your lips, and your lips will become fresh and never dry again. They will peel off easily. When you have your bath, you scrub your lips with your finger. It will help to take away discoloration from your lips and brighten your lips and give you pink lips. So this lip balm, I could give it to the first 20 people who purchase via my channel. All you have to do in the comment section is say, hey, I watched the video when you talked about your skin products, I am buying XYZ, and then this pink lip balm will also accompany whatever you buy. It's beautiful, it's amazing, I love it, I use it. I use all my products, they are what I use, so you will find them totally beautiful. Then I have a glow oil. This body glow oil is amazing. It accompanies any of the products that you want to buy, and it's for night use. This glow oil is formulated with lots of rich oils, from grapeseed oil, turmeric oil, neem oil, sunflower oil. It contains lemon oil, orange oil, you know, lots of beautiful oils that I have in here that will help to glow your skin, and you use it at night when you're going to bed. That's how you use it. You use it at night when you're going to bed. I have written on it, I said glow body oil is formulated with blends of healthy and skin nourishing oils that will give you soft and beautiful glowing skin. And how to use: apply at night after bath on damp skin. May also apply after your body lotion daily. So this one is beautiful. We give you a soft, supple skin. It contains a variety of body nourishing oils that will really help to give you a soft, blemish-free, beautiful skin. I have more products coming in the pipeline, but I'm going to show you this particular oil. It doesn't have a label on it yet, but you see this oil, oh my God, it's a beautiful oil that is meant for night only, because it's phototoxic. That means that if you use it into the sun, there is the possibility that it will darken your skin, so you only use it at night. This oil is whitening, brightening, and very effective. If you do not want to whiten your skin extensively or extremely, please don't buy. And it's the kind of oil that you have to shake. You have to shake before use. You shake it before use, because it contains, I don't even want to disclose. Okay, it contains AHA, beneficial skin friendly AHA. It contains a lot of brightening oils, amazing oils that will brighten your skin. So if you do not want your skin to get whitened, then don't purchase this. But if you want to brighten your skin, you purchase this. It is amazing, it is beautiful, and it's only for night use. It's for people who want to whiten their skin. So if you do not want to whiten your skin, then don't buy. But you want to brighten and whiten your skin, then you buy. It's amazing, it is beautiful, it is rich, formulated with super rich ingredients that will wow your skin. And everybody in a short while will begin to ask you what you're using. So this oil is for people who want to really whiten their skin. Last but by no means the least is my sugar scrub. You see, this product is thebomb.com. It's amazing, it is beautiful, it helps to scrub the skin. It is made with a lot of honey and sugar and a lot of brightening, exfoliating properties that will help to deeply moisturize and glow your skin. Now, I would recommend this for anyone whose skin is very dry. It's an exfoliating scrub. It is an exfoliating scrub. It will help to take away the dead skin layers from the surface of your skin. You will find it most beautiful as you use it to scrub your body. It will lift away all the dead skin layers on the surface of the skin, helping to reveal a newer and much brighter skin. It will not dry out your skin because it contains a lot of nourishing properties and oils and powders that will help to sludge off the dead skin layer of your surface, leaving your skin feeling amazingly moisturized. Okay, so I am all for moisturization. Once your skin is moisturized, wow, you are good to go. That's my take on moisturize on body on skin friendly products. They should be moisturizing and not drying. So this sugar scrub is the bomb. You've got to have it. It will help to brighten your skin and make your skin look amazingly beautiful. And in a short while, everybody will ask you what you're using. Of course, you always tell them it's Marigolden skincare, organic skincare products that you're using. Now, these are the few products I have on my skincare line that I'm introducing to you. Feel free to reach me via my WhatsApp number, please. It's WhatsApp only. Feel free to send me WhatsApp messages on the number that you'll find in my description description box so that you can talk to me about the skin products that I can recommend for you that will give you an amazing skin. Remember that Christmas is around the corner. We are already in the ember months. You don't want to wait till November, December to begin to work on your skin, so that when you come out December, you will be looking as fresh, as beautiful as Christmas morning. You've got to start now and be consistent with your regimen. I will be giving you a lot of tips on how to use this product or whatever products that you're using that will help you have an amazing skin. Thank you very much for watching this. I'll see you again in another video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.